Hello, happy to meet you all. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a screen recorder for Windows. Many times we want to record and show the things to others, how it was carried out. But unfortunately, we don't know how to record the screen of a window. Many of you may know that how to take a screenshot, but recording of the continuous recording of the whole process may not be possible in so many times. So in this video I am going to show you how to use the software and simply record your activities by this software. So the name of the software I had already downloaded for you and I had tested it. It is called FreeCam 8. Okay, there are many softwares like this, but among those I felt that it is very useful and convenient to use, so I had selected this for you. I will show how to make download and use it. Okay, first you will go for downloading it. Just open the Google Chrome or any other browser and FreeCam 8, that's the name of the software that we are going to download. Just enter it, and this FreeCam recording, this is very good site. Directly we can get it. The only thing we want to do is you have to give your email. For example, I'm giving this email and clicking the thing download. Once I click, it will download and it will be available on the system in the download section. Okay, now we will go to this PC and find out whether it is in the download. In the downloads, you can see here FreeCam 8.7.0. just double click it and we have to install it. File installation, we have to give the administrative permissions and click yes, so that the whole thing will be downloaded and installed. Now in the click open the desktop, you can
FreeCam
see
8.
the software.
Here you can see in this window that new recording button is there. Click the new recording. Once immediately clicked, we'll get that outline for the screen capture area. This can be manually, you can adjust it, or if you want you can go down, and here you can see set of buttons which shows the requirements. Video 16:9 at 720 pixel, or you can select video 4:3 at 720 pixel, or you can select the full screen area, or you can select a particular area where you want to show the recording. And another set of applications, we can also use external applications for recording the screen, that is also available. And in the settings, again we have two sections, one is general and another one is advanced. First we can see what is the general section. In the general section we have a shortcut keys called pause and resume keys. For this you can use F9, and for stop recording you can always click the escape key. And for discarding the recording without saving, you can use F10. These three may be very important for us during the operation. When you want to stop the recording, just pause it, press the F9 shortcut key, and for stopping the recording at the end you can just press the escape key, because the Windows stop button will not be visible for you. This is very important. And for discarding the recording, if the recording is not required for you, you just click F10, the whole thing will be deleted. And in the subsection of the general, you can see audio recording details. One is the microphone. You can select the external microphone which is connected to your system that you can use, and you can give the voice narration if it is required. And you can also record the system sounds, the click sounds, ding sounds, etc., which are of your system can also be recorded in this part. Next, to the advanced section. In the advanced section, you can see open a new window inside the recording area. If you want to open a new window inside the recording area, it is possible. And also show the system tray icon, because in the end of the bottom you can it is always showing the tray icon, so I clicked it for viewing it all the time. And next is mouse indication. See, during the explanations when you are doing some activity, sometimes the mouse cursor has to be shown very clearly. That at that point you can use this highlight the mouse cursor. Click on the show mouse cursor, and then you have to click the highlight mouse cursor, so that during the operations all the activities will be highlighted by a round button under the mouse cursor. Round yellow color highlighted area will be there always under your mouse cursor. And if you want to click sound has to be enabled, you can also click enable the mouse click sounds. It's also possible. These are the things associated with the settings. Two sections, one is general and other one is advanced. In the general section, all the general things are related to the keys and audio are given. In the advanced section, that is opening a tray inside, or something related to the mouse indicator, whether your mouse has to be highlighted or not, can be shown here. Likewise, mouse click sounds can also be. After placing the settings on position, click OK. Now it is ready for the recording. Just you click this red color button. This red color button is for recording. Once you click, it will count down 3, 2, 1 and 0. Now the recording is on, and you can see the mic is also working here. The mic indicator is also there, and the recording countdown is going down. Okay, either you can, after completion, you can see here the mouse is moving here and there. I am recording it. Okay, and here is the FreeCam 8, and once it is completed, either you can click the escape button or click done. Immediately your recording will be ready for use, and next you have to go for editing it. The next part is editing. First you view the whole part. Now the recording is on, and you can see, so you have to see the whole recordings, and whichever part you don't want, you just remove. You can remove it. You have to select it. The selected part will be available and the unselected part will be removed, and you select the required area, then you can go for trim. Okay, so the unselected area will be removed from out of your recording, and then you have to go for again you select it, then you have to manage the audio. Okay, so just you select the area and go for remove noise. So in this you can select the first background noise. Okay, then click noise remove. First you have to go for selection of the noise. First I have to select the noise alone. Here is the noise. Then okay, remove the noise. Okay, the whole video recording, the noise is now removed. Okay, so it's ready for your use. Then if you want, you can also adjust the volume. If sometimes the volume is more when you are recording, you can reduce it by minus 10% or 20% as you like. Then give OK. Then fade in and fade out of the audio is also available. You can make fade in during the starting of the recording and fade out at the end of the recording. Sometimes you may not require it. Okay, or you can adjust the volume as you require. Okay, too much, the volume will be reduced to a greater extent. Okay, so I'm keeping it by some percentage. Then this is the zoom selection, how you want to zoom it, and you can zoom and see the particular part, or show all. This will show all your part of the recording, screen recording. Okay, so now it's over. Now save and close. Then the next part is save the video as. You have to transport the video or export the video into the WMV format. Just you click it and save it. Or if you want, you can also directly upload it to the YouTube. That option is also available. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so now the screen recording is converted into WMV file and available for my ready use. If you want to click this to the YouTube, upload it to the YouTube, just you can click it, put the description, and go for sign in first. So you can sign it into your account. I'm not showing that. Just you can sign it and just you can click all the fill all the options, put the title properly. Okay, screen recording of FreeCam 8, like this. Again, demo of FreeCam 8 like that you can put, and all the descriptions you can type here and just put OK. Automatically your screen recording will be uploaded to the YouTube in your account. So that facility is also available. This is a very useful option when quickly you want to do some recording and upload it to your YouTube account. So normally we can use it, save video as WMV file, and you can use it. So altogether this is a very good option for screen recording, and this FreeCam 8 is always the best one. The clarity of the screen recording is also excellent throughout, and only problem is you have to save this as WMV file only, but this I think that no, so many video converters are available. Whatever mode you want, you can convert and use it. Okay, thank you very much for being with us.